Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add music to videos in InShot. InShot is all-in-one video editor and video maker application available on iOS and Android platforms. It enables users to edit and trim videos, add background music and sound effects, insert text captions and animated typography. So first, when you open to the InShot, over here the interface is structured into three main sections: home, dashboard of the video, photo and collage. You need to select on this video option here, and you can either go to this new from your library or you can simply select to the draft. And over here, once a video is imported, you will see the preview window, timeline editor, toolbar menu. So over here what you can do is tap on the audio just beside the canvas here, and over here you can select the music from here, and you can select any of the music over here by simply tapping on one of the music. It will automatically add to your video timeline, and after you're done you can select to this check mark, and your music is now embedded into the final video file. Adding music in InShot transform ordinary clip into engaging dynamic content. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment. We will reach out to you very soon.